So we've got some really smiley squares here and just enjoying a sunny afternoon, and now they're dead. So what's going on here? We got the ground, the camera, the evil ball. It says here that after 5 seconds, the evil ball's velocity is going to launch towards the happy people. No! Anyway, I guess death is inevitable, so why don't we find a way to reset the tower to exactly the way it was before the evil ball hit it. Since I like where this tower is positioned, I'm going to go ahead and add a new spatial node just right on top of the current tower. So then we're going to name it spawner, and then just do the old switcheroo where we're going to make the tower the child of the spawner. Then we're going to go ahead and put a script on the spawner. So the first thing we're going to do on this script is actually preload the tower scene. And just so you know, the tower scene is just a bunch of rigid bodies on top of each other. So there's actually two things that we need to do with these cubes. We need to destroy them and then respawn them. Otherwise, you could just have infinite cubes. On the destroy function, we're going to check to see if the spawner has a child. And if it does, we're going to queue free it. And then on respawn, we're going to make a new variable called tower instance and set it to that preloaded tower.instance. Then we're going to take the spawner and add the child tower instance. Now that we have both of those functions, I just made it so that pressing R destroys and then respawns. And now if we press play and the happy people get hit by the mean old boulder, we can just reset them right back where they were, right back where they belong, nice and happy and smiley and perfect. So yeah, take that, you mean old boulder. Anyway, I really hope this helps somebody. That's one way to respawn objects. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.